Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to day 12. We are out here at our winery build right now, and we are crushing it. Today's game plan is to get this big exterior wall built, sheared, and stood. Now we just got the 3x plate delivered. When we got all the rest of the studs dropped, that's getting plated out right now. They didn't send enough when they originally sent out our first lumber load. We're gonna frame this whole wall today, get this thing sheared, and get this thing stood. It's gonna look identical to that wall right over there. But we're gonna get after it. We got some tools rolled out. It's a lot warmer today than it has been in the last couple weeks. Thankful for that. So on this project, we want all of our top plates and our double top plate to break on studs.
Get out of the way.
Like I was just telling Fox, it's kind of a bittersweet moment because this is our last big wall in this project. We have the 32-foot rake walls on both this end and the far end over there, but this is our last big wall. It's gonna look just like this one behind me here. Watching these guys fly in, you guys have already seen it. It is crazy. Seeing it in person is even crazier. Not sure what to think. give you guys a lunchtime update. We are on day 12. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. 1 second, we're almost up. There's our thumbnail. We got this wall framed up here. We're gonna get the thing squared up, get it sheeted. We have this little section down here to do as well. Hopefully by end of day, we've got this wall sheeted, stood. It matches that wall over there. That's the plan at least. Oh my gosh. I just ripped my pants on this bolt. Lovely.
Pretty close.
Hell yeah. We are at the end of day 12. I hate days where we don't stand walls. We got this big wall framed up today. That was our whole game plan. All the way up, all the way over. Tomorrow morning I need to frame up that small section over there. All of these sheets are tacked down. We have a 3x plate until right about there, then it goes back to 2x. For the life of us, we could not get this wall to square up. The bottom would not go straight. Therefore, we couldn't square it up enough to sheet it and nail it off. But the good thing is all the hard work is done. We just got a man basket delivered. The builder had it dropped off. We'll have that to use as well. So when we do shear panel, all we're gonna have to do is shoot Fox up there on a lift, let him go crazy with nailing. The dude can nail quicker than anyone I've ever met. So that's the game plan. This wall's sheeted though and ready to go up. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna get that wall over there knocked out, get that stood. After that, we've got 2 rake walls to do, that one over there and this one back here. Not looking too bad at all. Anyways, guys, I hope you have been enjoying this series so far. This is a big build. Most people, most contractors in this area would bring 8, 9, 10 guys out here and let them go nuts. Sure, they could finish it a little bit quicker, but they'd be on to the next project before you know it. This way you guys get to see a little bit more in depth and I could show you every single step of the way. 4 of us, 6 weeks, 4,500 square foot, 18-foot tall walls. This place is no joke. We're actually taking off a bit early today. We have another job. We need to go drop the lid on it before we have inspection tomorrow. So I'm getting out of here with Q. We're gonna go drop that lid. Anyways, guys, I will see you on day 13. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Catch you next time. Hang on.